welcome back to another lesson. A few weeks ago I did a strumming tutorial that hopefully has taught you how to strum pretty much any rhythm naturally and easily using a constant motion with your strumming hand. The idea is that your hand keeps you in time. Your ups and downs strums all land in the place that they're supposed to land naturally and easily, and you don't have to think about it anymore. And that's had over 250,000 views, so I'm really chuffed about that, and thanks very much for watching. But a lot of people have asked me if I could put the chords down for the 10 examples that I use in the lesson and that I have on the chart there. So what I've done is I've redone the chart, I've added the basic chord progressions for the songs, and I'm going to take you through them very quickly and easily here today, not delving too much into the actual strumming that I'm doing, but just to show you the chords, and they're now available with the chart as a download. And if you want to go back and get that chart and you've already paid for the chart, let me know. I'll send you a free copy. It's not a problem. The first one was Stand By Me. It's very, very nice, and all of these rhythms are easy, believe it or not, because once you get your right hand moving in that constant motion, you're not going to have to worry about it. A, F sharp minor, D, E, A. Then back to the start. So the tricky part with that is that there's 2 bars of A at the start, 2 bars of A at the end of that progression. So once you get rolling, you're playing 4 bars of A in a row, which can throw some people off, but you'll get the idea. The second example was Gloria. D, A, E in the key of E. So Gloria. Super easy, super fun. Next example was Rockin' the USA, which, as somebody has pointed out, sounds a lot like Cherry Cherry. Sounds a lot like quite a few other songs as well. But it's this E, A, D, A. That's not quite right with the changes. D, D, A. So it's E, 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 A, D, D, A, A. Next one, Jack Johnson, one of my favorites. F sharp, B, back to F sharp, then back to B, changes up to C sharp, back to B, in the end we're bound to rebound, back to F sharp. Does that C sharp 9 to hold before he goes into either the next verse or the chorus. The chorus is like this, F sharp, A sharp, 7 if you like, but mainly an A sharp, B, G sharp, back to the F sharp. That's Inaudible Melodies. Riptide, if you want to play in the same key as the song, you put a capo on fret 1, but it's A minor, G, C for 2 bars. Super easy progression, super great fun song to play. That's Riptide. On to page 2, and you've got Mr. Jones. I think it's example number 6, but top of the next page. So A minor, F, D minor, G. And then the chorus goes C, F, G, over and over again. That's Mr. Jones. Next, AC/DC, classic rhythm. You can do it all as downstrokes, but here it is in this 16th note pattern, so you can use my strumming theory to even do this great rock rhythm. So it's 1 and 2 and 3, A, F sharp, G, and I'm saying F sharp, but it's kind of like a D sus2 over F sharp, but you got to get that F sharp bass note up to G. So it's A, F sharp G, F sharp G, F sharp G, F sharp A. Flake, Jack Johnson again, you can tell he's one of my favorites. D minor, F, B flat, F. And the chorus goes F, C, D minor, A, B flat, C, F, C, back to the start. That's Flake. Another brick in the wall, again in D minor. Goes on for ages and then it changes to G. Chorus F, C, and you're not really strumming that rhythm through that, but when you get back to the D minor, you're strumming it again. No, you're just another brick in the wall. Is that one. Finally, last one, Smells Like Teen Spirit. The original key is F. My tutorial shows you how to do a fingerstyle version of it using the open key of E minor. But take it or leave it that way. When you want to strum that classic rhythm, which is just now iconic and a piece of rock history, you go F, B flat, G sharp, C sharp. So really I should call this A sharp because you don't really want to mix sharps and flats. So F, A sharp, G sharp, C sharp, or F, B flat, A flat, D flat. So hopefully those chords will help you get through all those examples, and there's 10 quick songs that you can kind of get around quickly and easily. And another beautiful thing about having that natural rhythm under your hands is that really it makes picking up songs so much faster and more natural because you can use your ear a lot more. And really, isn't that what being a good musician is all about? Is using your ear more, getting inside songs quickly, making them sound good, making them sound effortless and natural and easy. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.